Hello, today I'm in Citroen C4 Cactus. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel responsible for cruise control and speed limiter. Of course, we can enable cruise control and speed limiter, increase the speed, decrease the speed, pause the cruise control or speed limiter, and memorize the speed. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel responsible for media control. So we can increase the volume, decrease it, change radio station, enter radio station list, and change radio source. Also, we can answer and end calls. Of course, if you press in the middle, you'll use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.